And there's our little baby. She is so rough. I think I'm going to have to change all of the rigging on her. All the top side's got to be repaired and sorted. We actually flared all the bottom before we left, so that just needs anti-foul and well, a couple of coats of colour paint first, and then two pack. And I've got to put the skeg back on. It's still sitting inside. Let's have a look. Oh my god, you can see how badly she's been hammered by the sun. There's actually no varnish left anywhere. It's had between 6 and 10 coats of yacht varnish on it before we left her, and there's absolutely no varnish left on her at all. The inside's fared a little bit better than the outside. It's very, very messy. Anyway, this is a before, so you'll see her after, and we'll show you as the progress goes. But yeah, as you can see, it's very, very sad sight. I guess I just put the power on so she can do a bit of vacuuming. But the sun here just absolutely kills everything. I don't think there's anything that we'll be able to salvage. There's even the cables. It just totally destroys. It destroys everything. That was all covered up before I left. I'd covered it all over with bags and cloths, but obviously 10 years is a long time to be away from a boat, and she's letting us know it. So okay. Oh, that's not nice. So anyway, we'll let you know how we're going, and talk to you later.